What the fuck? Dude, it fucking totally did it.
You get it?
Hell yeah. Kitty, kitty, kitty. That is one weird Siamese cat. It's making the Super Bowl halftime show well worth it. Damn. Come here, kitty. Do that shit again. Hey, do you have like a mating call that you can get your cat to run up that wall?
Why? Do it?
Hell yeah, I caught him on camera doing it. Here it comes, here it comes. Come on, kitty, kitty. Watch. Cats are so stupid.
Kenny Chesney, you suck live right now.
I know. But watch, when the cat comes out, here it comes. Kitty. Fuck. Kitty. Kitty, kitty.
I've never seen him do this.
It'll make Kenny Chesney well worth it. Damn it, a cat. I just saw him. Here he is. Come here, jump up the wall, cat. Want some chicken? Turkey? Get up the wall. Get up the wall. God, they're not like dogs. They don't do what you tell them. Yes!
Oh my god!
That was
Just
awesome.
stood there like I'm high now. Shut
That's
up!
a dog. Good boy. Good Fido. You guys get some turkey for that. Thank you for making the Dallas Cowboys halftime show well worth it.